Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you the top 10 all-time favorite projects I've made out of upcycled paper. I'm so excited to share these projects with you. This is a mailbox, and then I made it into a book, and then I have envelopes made out of the paper with little notes inside. Really sweet way to give little notes to somebody. So this is number one. Love it. My second project that I absolutely love are these little baubles. They're made out of book pages and then some beads. These would be great as a Christmas ornament, as a decoration for a gift. So many different options with these. So sweet. Number three is these sweet little angels made out of old sheet music. How adorable is that? And then just with a little bit of bling right here. Absolutely adorable. Again, great gift topper or for a Christmas ornament. Number four is mini books inside a glass ornament. Look how cute that is. And all of the directions for all of these projects are free and on my YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and check out all these great videos. All the tutorials are in great detail. Number five are these boutonnieres. There's this plain boutonniere made out of music paper, and then this one is made out of upcycled magazine paper, and then just some of these little berries from a arts and crafts store, and then just a little bit of florist tape. Absolutely adorable for a wedding or a special event. Really nice. Number six, a very easy book fold, and then you can, you don't have to do any measuring. That's the really nice thing about this. And then you can use it to organize mail, business cards. I probably should send that to my son. He's in college and probably should afford it. Don't tell him. Next, check out these earrings. How cute are these? These are made out of vintage dictionary pages. Very, very easy to make. Really sweet. And check this out. Can you see this? These are roses made out of upcycled paper and then varnished to make it a little bit weatherproof and put on a comb. Love that. Next, we have, I love. Let me see if I can take this off gently. Is a bookshelf. I made these mini books. Again, there's a tutorial on my website. On my YouTube channel. This cute little vase is actually made out of a bead with just tiny little fake flowers inside. Just a bead. How cute. And then we have just these little itty bitty little books that actually open. Again, all of these are free tutorials. Love. Look, green eggs and ham, little caterpillar. It's so sweet. And I have to say, this is probably one of my all-time favorites, is this fireplace. This is a book folding. Check that out. Again, there's a tutorial for this. It has a little light up candle inside. It has books, and then it has a little, it's actually cut out of a magazine, and then I used toothpicks as a little frame. And then I went outside and got actual wood for the fire. Absolutely love it. So these are my 10 favorite things I've ever done out of upcycled paper. And then of course I do have some runner-ups. I do love this little basket. This time it's with little spring flowers, but you could also do it with Easter eggs. Another simple and fun project is this vase. How fun is that? So many fun ideas. And don't forget, there's all different types of papers you can use. This is made out of an old map that I got at a tourist stop. So many different ideas. And then also don't forget all of the wall hangings and flowers. Please just check them out. So much fun, so many great gifts for the holidays and for birthdays. Who doesn't like a homemade gift? So don't forget to subscribe, and happy folding.